How to fix Android terminating LightyearVPN background process. When using the LightyearVPN application on your Android phone, you may encounter the following problems. It works well after starting LightyearVPN, but after a few minutes, Google can't open it, and YouTube video can't be opened either. Maybe you don't need to overcome the wall and Baidu can't open it either. After using LightyearVPN for a while, the key icon of LightyearVPN on the top of the Android system disappears, and then all the websites and apps that need to circumvent the wall are no longer available. Open the software of LightyearVPN. The connection to myself is somehow disconnected. In short, LightyearVPN gives you the impression of instability. First of all, LightyearVPN is a very stable software. Of course, LightyearVPN users can always use our service smoothly. However, due to the well-known killing the background mechanism of the Android system, LightyearVPN will work in the background for a while and then be killed by the system, so you think we are unstable. But rest assured, this stability problem can be easily solved. The usual solutions are as follows. In the position of battery management or application management, allow LightyearVPN to run in the background, or manually manage background processes. Lock the LightyearVPN software in the system, that is, add a lock to our app in the process management interface. Each mobile phone manufacturer has its own customized Android system, and each version of the Android system is different in some settings. Below we give detailed setting instructions for some different manufacturers. LightyearVPN mobile phone settings details. The first step is to lock the LightyearVPN app to the lock state. 1. Open LightyearVPN. 2. Click Recent Tasks interface, usually click the button in the lower right corner of the phone. 3. Pull down the software interface of LightyearVPN, a small lock icon will appear in the upper right corner. The second step is to set the Allow Background Activities option. 1. Go to Phone Settings. 2. Go to the Apps section and click on App Management. 3. Find the LightyearVPN item in the list and enter. 4. Click on the Power Consumption Details column, and then click on App Startup Management. 5. Close the Automatic Management item and open the Allow Background Activities item. The third step is to allow the LightyearVPN application to ignore battery optimization. 1. Go to Phone Settings. 2. Click on the top search to enter battery optimization. 3. Click the Not Allowed drop-down menu at the top. 4. Select all apps. 5. Find LightyearVPN and set it to Not Allowed. This is set up, you can connect to LightyearVPN again and use it for a while to see if it has become super stable. Note, if you upgrade the Hongmeng system, you must follow the above steps to set it up, otherwise there will be serious consequences that you cannot access the content after connecting to the VPN. Mi mobile phone settings details. The first step is to set the power saving strategy of LightyearVPN to unrestricted mode. 1. Open settings. 2. Open more apps. 3. Find LightyearVPN in the list, LightyearVPN. 4. Open power saving strategy. Refer to the following IMG. 5. Select Unlimited. The second step is to lock the LightyearVPN app in the Recent Tasks interface. In MIUI 10 to 12, you need to press and hold LightyearVPN app in the Recent Task list, and select Lock Us in the pop-up menu. Don't kill my app. This website includes all the Android brand machines. It teaches users how to turn off the energy-saving mode of the Android system and kill the back-end mechanism in a way of both pictures and texts. The website is in English. Why does LightyearVPN always keep running in the background? LightyearVPN is a VPN software. We need to be able to take over all your network data comprehensively, encrypt them all and send them to our server for processing. This work requires an Android service to run in the background.